Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a VIVO V21e and let me share with you how to update the apps on this device. So first of all, we have to find the Google Play Store, and actually before, make sure that you've got the internet connection, and I highly recommend to use the Wi-Fi instead of mobile data. And then, as I said, let's enter the Play Store. If you do not have your Google account added to this device, you will have to log in, and after that simply tap on the circle, which is your account. Now let's tap on Manage Apps and Device and tap on Manage. And as you can see here, we've got the list of currently installed apps, and we have to simply tap on Updates Available to check all of the updates pending. And basically, if you want to, you can mark all of those apps and update them, or just pick one or two, just like I will do. All you have to do is to mark the app and tap on this update icon in the right upper corner. And as you can see, your device will download the updates, and after that they will be successfully installed. So basically you do not really have to do anything more, your device will do it for you automatically. So basically that's all. This is how to update the apps in your VIVO V21e. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.